Okay, I'm at the end of our mock interview. So my last question to you, can you just explain the customizing the sweeper component, including like pagination,
Mm-hmm.
then navigation in a React project?
Yes. So for our pagination and navigation, if they are like different modules that we have to import from Swiper modules. That means they are whenever we install Swiper, they are already by default installed. So we have to import those first to use those like the paginations and navigations and autoplay and everything, and also other effects. So those are Swiper modules. So for customization by default, the swiper pagination and navigation works fine. So if I want to add some custom icons, for example, for our featured product section, in our swiper, our UI designer added some custom icons for left and next and previous navigations. So to use that inside our navigation props, we can actually define which element we want to use as our next element and our previous element. So for that case, I just took another div outside of Swiper.js and gave it a little bit like a display absolute, and then I placed those icons according to the UI design. And for our next button, let's say, so I took a unique identifier. For in this case, I took an ID and gave it like the next button an ID, the previous button an ID. And then inside our swiper component, we can take inside the navigation prop, instead of just saying true, we can take an object and then we can define our next element, our previous element, and now next swiper will get those element by ID. It can be ID by ID or by class, and then use those divs or those elements, HTML elements, as their navigation, like the next navigation and previous navigation.
Okay, let's say in our e-commerce application in the banner section, I want to use the sweeper.
Mhm.
So my requirement is like it will automatically sweep. We don't have to click any button or something, and it will loop through. Like it will not stop. Can you
Mhm.
tell me like how can we build those things?
Yeah, this is very easy because the loop is by default supported. We can just say loop through, and it will loop all the swiper slides. And for autoplay, it is another module that you have to import from swiper module. And after importing the module, we can just say autoplay through. And we can also give it a timer. That means the timing of autoplay. We can say 3 seconds, 4 seconds. We can also define that.
Okay, thank you, Mahmudul, for participating here, and I am really impressed by your answer. So we can uh, go to the like next round.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.